All right, folks, so if you grew up watching Jamaica's World Cup run in 1998, then this next guest needs no introduction. Well, I still will introduce him. He wore the black, green, and gold with pride, made us dream big on the international stage. And today he's here to share what life has been like beyond the football pitch. Before I introduce him, he did not score the first World Cup goal, but he made the pass to the person who scored the first World Cup goal. So he can say, I am the first assist of a World Cup goal for Jamaica. With me now is the former Reggae Boys and 2025 National Awardee. Boy, I feel so good to be interviewing this youngster, even though I'm going like my big man. Ricardo Bibi Gardner, OD, brother. Eh?
That's something, coach. You'll always be coach for me. You know that, right?
And you'll always be my son. Boy, congrats, baby. Congrats. Let me start here and then we will go back. When you heard you were being awarded with a national award, what were the thoughts?
I mean, thanks first and foremost, coach. I mean, for me, to be recognized by this, by my country is something that I will cherish for the rest of my life, to be honest. So it's a great achievement. It's a great honor for me and my family and everyone that I represented from I was playing football within Harbourview and every teammate that I've come across. So I'm really celebrating this with everyone, and this is for everyone, not only me, because without my teammates, it wouldn't be possible.
Beautiful. A lot of people don't know that when you went to Wulmas, you went as a track person, not a footballer, don't it?
I know, right? Yeah, a lot of people outside my community wouldn't know then until I share the story. Yeah, but it was track and field.
So who made the change and why was the change? By the way, you did good. You could have beat nobody. Or you did just love it.
Coach, a second, I come in a primary champs in a class one person beat me, and it's a youth named Leon from Exed Primary who went on to Calabar.
So like it's still born, you remember him name and everything.
But now I tell you, born man. Yeah, man, but football was always the first love. But unfortunately, our primary school didn't get the opportunities to enter the primary football league. So it was always running for us. So after running at the primary champs, I was scouted by the great Steve Francis.
What?
Yeah, who took me from Harbourview Primary and gave me a scholarship to attend Wulmas. So he came all the way to Harbourview. I wasn't at home when he was there. I came and I saw him speaking with my mommy, and I was like, who's this person? You know what I mean? Before I was introduced. And I told you, and I'm telling you, no, that day I cried living high water because I passed for one of my favorite schools because, you know, as youth, a lot of your friends, you want to go to the school that a lot of your friends are going to.
Yeah.
Our school back then was Camperdown or Excelsior.
Yeah.
Most of the people from Harbourview community, that's the school they attended. So I passed for Excelsior. So when I was told by my mom that I was being transferred to Wulmas, cry, living in water, man. But never regretted one day in Wulmas. Never regretted one day.
Oh, beautiful. So what is that football coach say or Stephen Francis realized you're never really good at all, so go play football?
No, you know when I went, I was doing track and field, went to Miami Classic, everything. But the love for football, as I said, was always there. So football tryouts now, Pepsi team I train, I'm going to train. And then the days for track and field just get less and less unlimited until they see me full time on the football field. So it wasn't the coach who scouted me, it was me and the love for the game.
Yeah.
Really push myself into that direction when I enter in Wulmas.
Yep. And you are one of the few Jamaicans who have only played for one single club in your career. You've played only at Harbourview from you was about 5 years old, no?
I know, right? Yeah. From about nine. And then went on to Bolton and do the same.
Yeah. How did you feel when you heard that you had an opportunity to represent the country? Because I think you started at under 70, under 20. Which one was it?
No, it was under 20. It was your team, coach.
Yep.
It was your team. So I went trials for under 17, but I didn't make the team.
Yep.
I did get onto that team. So under 20, the team that you coach.
Yep. Yep.
When we went to Mexico. So
yeah, I remember that.
It was a dream come true from always growing up as youngsters. Getting called for the youth level was always a dream for us.
Yep.
And not getting selected for the under 17 and getting selected for the under 20 made me even a lot more happier.
Yeah.
You know.
There's someone in
studio. I was selected.
There's someone in studio now, and he's looking at me, and he's going to be very annoyed when I mention this, because you scored against Manchester United, didn't you?
No, Man City.
Man City. It's Man City.
Yeah. It was Man City.
I trouble me, because I see him face when I say so. Many years at Bolton. What was that like for you, playing with the big boys? Because you were still a little youth when you went there. You were a teenager still. What was it like playing with the big boys?
I mean, to be honest, words cannot even explain, coach. To be honest, I did a dream of playing outside of Jamaica, much as to be representing my country in the World Cup and then getting by Bolton, who I knew nothing about before going. But because it's an English-speaking country and it's in England, I made the choice of choosing them. But for me, it was a great opportunity for me to showcase my talent even more, and not only for myself but for other Jamaicans, you know, who have been playing the game, and to let them know that there are a lot more talents in our region, not only Jamaica but the entire Caribbean. Yeah. So I had to go there and make sure I put the right foot forward and make sure I walk the right path. Yeah. Because whenever a club would be interested maybe in someone from Jamaica, they would pick up the phone and they will call Sam Allardyce and they will ask him what I was like in the dressing room or outside of the dressing room. And if he had something bad to say, then that wouldn't be good. Yeah. So I make sure I walk the straight path. I know that I'm not only representing myself, but I'm trying to pave the way for many others to come after me.
Amazing. We play football, but they call people like you a soccer dad. Because I know you have some youth where I run some ball. Them can play like you.
Yeah, man, them do them thing. They are in a very good place. They are in a very good path. They are guided by some very good friends of mine as well as myself. Yeah. And I think for their development, they're in a very good place. They are learning, which is very important. They are enjoying it, and they are growing as human beings. So it's going good. My son is at Stockport, just signed professionally for Stockport 3 years. So he's with the first team, training day in day out. He's just recovering from an injury now. Yeah. My youngest, Shiloh, she is 15, playing up with Bolton under 18. Never would I have known over the years that would have happened.
Cardo, I have to jump in. I have to jump in, Cardo, because we have to go to news. I am so proud of you. I love you so much, brother. I love you so much.
Yeah, man, really appreciate it,
I'm so proud of you.
Blessings, one love. Thank you.
And hear the youngsters from me. God bless, brother. See?
I will do. Yeah, man,
Cardo,
one love.
Bibi Gardner, OD. All right, we'll go for a break. Second edition of News in 5 right now.